Alright, so we're at the first official stop of Drift Week 2020. And we just dropped the car off and got everything ready. Everything's good. And we're at beautiful Harris Hill Raceway. This is a super rad track. You can see everybody down here. I'll give you a little background on this trip. So I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, wanted to do this trip, and we started obviously by driving our cars to events like most of you guys have. That was in 2003, 2002, and shortly after, like, we were chasing the dream of drifting competitively, so we bought trucks and trailers, and we probably had some fun cars that we had, street cars and all that stuff too, but we stopped pretty much driving them to events at that point, because it's like when you buy a truck and trailer, you got to use it, and we did. So this trip, we decided to leave all the trucks and trailers at home. I didn't, because I already had my truck and trailer here for another event we were doing. But everybody is driving their cars from event to event. They're doing 7 events. I'm missing one because I have to go to St. Louis for the auto show, and all of that, but everyone's going to drive their cars. There's 2 support trucks, and we're going to go and do this entire event with all of these guys. There's a few people missing as well, so I'll do some coverage of each of the cars and all that, and I'll get back to you soon. Yo everybody, we're here at the School of Drift, and we partnered up with FCP Euro this year. We're extremely excited about that because their parts have a lifetime warranty, they're here quick, and they stock everything we need to keep our school running, and that's the key, so that you guys can come to the school, shred with us, and not have any problems. FCP Euro and I teamed up. We're going to give away 2 half-day passes, one for you and one for a friend. So if you want to enter, go to FCP Euro's Instagram or go to fcpeuro.com. Drift Week USA! Aaron called me, or he actually posted in our group chat for this whole madness. Everybody be there at 9 o'clock. We want to be there at 9 o'clock. I think we woke up at 9 on purpose because we knew it was going to happen. And I also knew a lot of people were building cars and driving them for the first time at this event. So like, I'm like, let everybody shake their stuff down. We know our car works, so let's go out and, you know, we'll wait and come and get here like 10:30 or so. We did, and we still didn't do any drifting till like noon. Everybody's feeling their cars out, getting set up. We just did a couple laps just to make sure the car was good. It's ready to go. So we're gonna wait for everybody else to get tidy and comfortable and whatnot on this huge track. This is probably 10 times the size of the rest of the event's track. So like, if we can drift this track, everybody can shred the rest of them. This is huge. And we'll do a track breakdown here in a little bit. Lunch break, you know where we needed to go. You know.
101.
101.
Hey, is it P1 right
I'm
now?
like, dude, I'm pretty sure my wheel's falling off.
Yes, Mostly got 99 keeping it on track.
No, that's bad. Oh, they weren't even on. They're a little wallered. I torqued them and everything.
And then what?
Then the wheel fell off. Come on. Come on.
The brakes on the way. Turn the brakes.
And we're done. We're working on my car. part of the deal. It's a good thing we ordered that one from FCP yesterday. Right there on him at the top of the hill here. We just bail when things like that happen. Whoop.
Toy.
We finished our first track day. It was a little anticlimactic. We had a skid pad, we did an intro with some donuts. I was following Matt and he was following Fielding, and I forgot who was behind me. Maybe, I don't know, was it Mesker? I'm not sure. Anyways, so that was cool, we did that, and then went out, ripped some laps here at Harris Hill, which was fun. You guys saw the footage, obviously. Overall, the Drift Week thing's gonna be good. We got a really good group of people, and we're here to have fun, and that's the goal. I would say everybody did 25 or 30 laps today. I probably did only 15 because I kind of waited for everybody to figure their stuff out. And right when I was getting into driving, they cut the track early because we're kind of here for no cost. They allowed us to be here because Harrison works here, and some of the guys who pay to drive here showed up. So it's totally cool. I get why we got booted off. Makes sense. But we got to run the track forwards and reverse. I'd never run it in reverse, which is fun. We did a little parking contest and I broke an axle. So I replaced the axle, got back out there, and didn't really get to chase many people. Mesker was having a couple issues shifting with his car, so we had some trouble with that. But everybody is here, and everybody's car is running. Wicknick had an injector problem, had his car fixed. A couple other people were working through some bugs, but overall, like I said, it's everybody's car's working, running. This was a great shakedown. Another thing to think of too, are moving forward, all of the tracks are about a fifth of the size of this. They're all much smaller kart or MotoGP style tracks like Supermoto stuff. So much tighter, much smaller. So a lot of these cars are going to do a lot better there. I think the highest horsepower car here is probably Fielding's, and he makes oh no, it's Matt Fields. Matt makes about 500 at the tire. I think Fielding's right at about 400, and everybody else is between 300 or 270 and 350. So hopefully keeping that reliability, we'll see. I've now broke both of the axles that I built the car with, one right, one left. So I'm hoping that that's it and we're good. But we have new axles from FCP, just in case, in the trailer, and some other spares as well. But car did good today, didn't have any issues, and other than the axle. And we're loaded up. We're going back to my dad's house, stay there. We're probably going to trailer the car to Albuquerque because the weather's supposed to be shitty, and I don't want Chelsea to be driving the truck in the snow and ice with the big camper and stuff. But maybe if it's not too bad, we'll put Chelsea in the car. She can drive some miles and see how that does. She'll probably get tired of me, so she'll have some me time and cruise along. So, I'm not going to do the whole like, subscribe, whatever thing. You can follow me if you want, but I would say keep coming back every few days and making sure you're checking out the Drift Week coverage because it's going to be rad. See you guys. You can hear the diff whining from here.